Several families have been rendered homeless following the demolition of houses on waterways and flood corridors in the Kogoma district of Abuja by the Federal Capital Territory Administration. The FCTA vowed to prosecute estate developers that sold the plot to unsuspecting individuals.
Waterway within the Kogoma district as a result of the flooding.
Okay, but like how many buildings will be going, sir?
Over 120 structures will go.
How long will this exercise last?
As long as we take us to finish the assignment.
According to the FCTA, estate developers have been duly informed of the exercise. However, Roots TV Nigeria has been making effort to reach out to families that are affected by the exercise and wonders if the FCTA has a compensation plan in place. Similarly, we had earlier reported of the flood crisis that usually rocks estates in the Kogoma district after a heavy downpour, with a recent one in May, which almost submerged part of FRSA housing estate. Roots TV Nigeria will bring you update on this development.